Hi friends, and welcome to Mama Elephant's March 2025 release. Today we are introducing Playful Raccoons and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing Stitched Border Frames creative cuts. Let's take a look at the stamped images first. This set includes 5 different raccoons, as well as a trash can and some accessories to create your scene. What's great about the creative cuts is that they also cut out pieces around their little hands so they can hold the various accessories. To color my raccoon, I looked up a picture of a raccoon and I chose my colors accordingly. For the fur, I'm using the warm grays, and for the face, the ears and the tail, I'm using the cool grays in the darker tones. And as per usual, you can find the colors I used on this and the other images in the description below. Now it's time to add some white gel pen accents. Next, let's take a look at the stitched border frames. There are 3 frames included in this set, and this is what they cut out. For today's card, I'm using the largest one, which fits a standard sized card perfectly. For the background of my card, I've cut a panel that measures 5.5 inches and 4 1/4, and I'm ink blending Saltwater Taffy Distress Oxide ink through a stencil. I've masked off the ground with a piece of masking tape because I wanted a piece of ground for my raccoon to stand on. I wanted to make it look like the raccoon would be standing in the alleyway with the trash cans. For the ground, I'm using Distress ink in the color tea dye. I place everything in my Misty stamping tool, and I've placed the images as well as the border inside for a reference of where I wanted to stamp my sentiment. I wanted to make it look like the wall had some graffiti around it. I'm using a couple of images from the Write With Me stamp set, and I'm stamping them in Mama Elephant Lollipop ink. Now it's time to put everything together. I'm placing my background on a standard sized card base. Over top, I'm placing the largest of the stitched border frames. Now it's time to decorate our scene. You can place items inside the trash can through the slit that the Creative Cuts make. Now we just add some foam tape to pop up our images. Lastly, we place our raccoon into the scene, and that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available from the 15th of March, and I hope I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of introductions. Bye!